having some fun with YouTube. Once you've gone to the channel and you found a video you want to play, next thing is it's keyed up. Hit the play button.
Google is testing it.
It starts to play. Now let's go over to the settings, click on it, and from here go to playback speed. Right now, of course, it's set to normal.
Relevant ads. Google launched its privacy.
Click on that, and now you have some choices. And you can slow it down to 1/4 speed.
Of cohorts last year. The plan
Half speed.
out flock was delayed, and Privacy Sandbox faced
3/4 speed. So it's a bit slower. If you've got something you want to follow and you don't want to have to pause, this should make things a little bit easier.
On the Chrome browser to determine
This was the normal.
top 5 topics a user is interested in. Based on their surfing.
And now the fun comes in, because we can go 1 1/4 time at its speed
they visit against a list of about 350 topics.
if you want to get through it in a hurry.
Advertising Bureau and Google's own
1.5 times, even faster. Hope you have good ears.
Topics API to ping the browser for the data and serve relevant ads.
1 3/4 times,
Here's how it works. You visited a lot of sites.
again much faster.
Chrome will count those towards
I haven't yet listened to see what I sound like at that speed. And last but not least,
Google says topics are kept for only 3 weeks and old topics
twice as fast as normal.
happens on your device without
And here,
external servers, including Google's.
I make some of those guys that get paid to speak fast on commercials sound good.
You don't like or disable the feature altogether. Currently, since Google has only just announced topics,
You'll notice from here you can also start up
will be opt-in or opt-out.
subtitles,
The list of topics is preset, and Google says it will not
and you can change the quality.
such as gender.
Right now this is set for auto, 480p, but you can make the quality quite a bit better.
To launch its trial. And after publishing the explainer on how
And that's just having a little fun with YouTube.
interest groups and regulatory authorities. Based on that, the company
Stay safe, stay secure, have a little fun in life. Don't forget to like the video, and you want to see more? Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.